What is going on, guys? Welcome to the lecture. Let's add some skin wrinkles, just using alphas for now. So what I'm going to do, just looking at this, it's just going to smooth this one out. Smooth it out, hold on shift. Those forms were a bit too much. Smooth these guys out. Like so. So if you want to add alphas, you go to your tools over here, brush, and go to texture, add new texture, create a new texture, click this to show texture tab, click open, and go to your alphas, alphas folder, and we're going to be adding a few of these. Let's start with the shoulder one. Something like this. Open image, you can see over here, and go back to, probably change the color space to raw, like so, and go to the stroke and change the anchor, change the mapping from tiling to view plane, and if I click and drag, that's what we get. So then undo that and go to the modifiers, and let's subdivide this guy. Subdivision level 4. Now if I click and drag, now that's what we get. So the strength is a bit too high, 0.3. Okay, go back to subdivision level 4 and try. Okay, we need to do an invert. Oh my word. Changes to minus. Get that. Still too much. So just dial this down to 0.2. That's just blending them in. See where there's going to be folding going on. I'm just adding that. To it, like that. We come back over here and just smooth this one out. And click and drag. Like so. Smooth it out, hold on shift. And just click and drag over here. Then I'm going to change my texture. Create a new texture. Let's load another alpha. Go open. Locate the alphas. And I'm going to choose another one. From images, change this color space to raw, so it can be used in alpha, view plane, anchored. Works very fine. Hold on, control. It's bad. Yeah, and she's gonna blend this. With this guy. Just looking at you see those stretchy lines. Just looking at them. Like that. And I'm gonna change this off again and load another one. Change new texture, click open, go to the office folder. Choose this guy. Change this to raw again. Still anchored. Undo that, change this to the plus sign. Now I can just add this over here all around the shoulder. Moving around the arm. Just dragging this off ever so slightly. So see how quickly this works. And then delete this. We're gonna press F to increase the brush size. Now what we're gonna do, come in where there's lines. Okay, change this to V blend here. Okay, there's no texture. ZBrush. The strain to 0.5 again. Okay. 0.4 or 3. Now just coming in, see where those lines, just picking some of these lines there. Giving them that more bumpiness to surface. Give it more wrinkles. You can see over here. So this this alpha was serving as like a guideline. You can see just coming in where I see fit, just building those forms up. And in these under areas also, creating those wrinkles where I possibly can. Don't like these dots actually. Don't know about space. Let me try space. Yeah, space is working very well. Intensity back to 0.5. Fold. Just following some of these areas and reiterating with this, emphasizing them like crazy. See how it helps. So because like most of these offers are like flat, but then as we do this, just coming in, I'm gonna show you guys once I'm like zoomed out over here how this looks like. Coming in here on top also, just picking some of those forms up. Creating some pimples in some areas. So it's not all about just adding alphas, but then some manual work is also required to achieve this realism on our models. As you can see, just because we have these alphas as like guides, it's like kind of guiding us to, okay, let's just come in now, just pick this up where I can, just reiterating with this. I could spend like the almost like the entire day just working on this arm alone. The amount of details we have here, it's super cool to see how much we can grab out of this. You can see just coming back here in some areas, and also you can grab the draw sharp brush, just coming underneath also. Hold down Control to do an invert, press F to sorry about that. Hold down Control, I'm doing an invert with the draw sharp brush. As you guys can see, so it's a carving here also. The draw sharp brush, look how it's giving us those details like there. So just gonna come in and create some pimples. Look at some of those scales over there, like in certain areas and stuff. So press F, I'm gonna decrease there. Just creating, emphasizing these overlaps here. As you can see, these pores and details. So these were the ring details on the arms. So just coming in, just carving that in. Still using that draw sharp brush. I tend to exaggerate some of these details a lot. So in terms of, let's say you'll be making a displacement map, you'll probably just lose some of these details. So it kind of helps to just kind of go overboard. Obviously this takes time, but then trust me, this helps a lot. So come in again, just continuing with this. Look how big these details are coming up as we add them, and just picking up, hold on control with the draw sharp brush. So just carving that in now over here. Probably just added. Look at those details. And yeah, just the sky is the limit with these details, guys. You can achieve a lot with this technique. Honestly, the sky is the limit here. Just reiterating some of these ever so slightly. And now just creating those bumps. Those pimples in some areas, and in some areas there's like nothing. Don't be afraid to go overboard with this. See how everything is lining up. Like so. You see, we having that working very well for us. Kind of helps having these forms in place. So yeah, thank you guys for your time, and we'll continue in the next lecture.